Alright, welcome to Cascade. We got all our gear packed, stuff ready. Maybe she should move her vehicle so everyone else can park. I mean, it's a full house today. There's people everywhere. I don't know how far they're going out, but we're going to go drill a couple holes and see how well it is. So we'll see you out on the ice. Careful, buddy. Careful, careful. Pull it up. Oh, shit. Holy cow. That is awesome.
Damn.
Woo. Dude, that is a beauty.
On that jig.
Awesome. I got to start jigging that thing.
I didn't even jig it. I was just sitting there.
That's what I got mine sitting on. Dude, that is awesome. White's first fish through the ice. I'm actually just going around and cleaning the ice. Yeah, we're keeping them. We're keeping them. Leave it on the ice. Go put it over there. Dude, that is a beauty.
Let it bite?
Yeah. Take it.
Just check it.
Take it.
Got him.
Careful, careful. Get up. Whew, we got some rainbow coming through.
Oh, God. It's been a hot minute since...
Where's the spoon? I need a spoon over here.
God damn, pig. Oh, Dad. This pole. It's not beeping.
No?
There's definitely fish now.
We keeping this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many fish are we allowed to keep?
6. You're allowed 6 trout.
There's no limit on perch.
Yeah, if we can get some perch.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's not showing nothing.
No? Well, it's only going to show 20 degrees or 20 degrees around that one.
I thought it was 20 feet.
20 feet around it.
We're not 20 feet from it.
No, you're in the area.
We're in the area. Should be showing something.
No, it's not.
Well. Here, Matthew. Drop this one in.
I need to get this stick. Back up.
Whew. Did I do this one already?
What?
Did I do that one already?
I don't know.
This is the one I didn't do.
Is this one on bottom?
Not all the way.
No.
There was a bite.
Whoa! Miss it?
No. You have it.
No, I don't.
No.
I have big ass weight.
Oh, you don't need a big ass weight.
Well, sink it back to the bottom.
I did. God damn.
This is so uncool.
What do you got for bait?
Worm?
You're running worm. I got worm on that one over there.
In there and a worm here with the jig.
I got worm here.
Got worm?
I got power bait on that one.
Dog.
Come on, record. Oh yeah.
There
Woo.
you go. Easy.
Easy. Easy.
It came off.
Oh.
Do you have a bottom hook too, Wyatt?
No.
Okay.
I grabbed the line. I gotta tighten the drag on this.
Yep.
And it doesn't help because that's way easier to reel in because it's a longer pole.
Yeah. I wonder.
Oh, straight line.
Matthew, did you hit one over there?
No, I hit one over here.
Yeah, one hit there. One hit there.
The pole's been frozen.
All right, we're on. We're on. Careful. Oh, did it get off?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, darn it.
What the fuck?
Oh, man. That was awesome.
I thought I grabbed that too. You should have started reeling it down.
I need to throw some more worm on.
That means there's a school right here.
What? Worm.
That means there's a school right here.
Yeah. Well, I got worm on that pole right there. All right, well, we caught 2 fish. I mean, it's kind of slow. So, make sure you get everything you'll bring with you. We brought everything with us, so we got everything. We're good. So now all we're doing is walking back to the truck. We're gonna go down, back in the Cascade. Go try some different stuff. But as you see, we caught 2 fish. Wasn't too bad. Wish we caught some perch, but you know, day ain't over. We'll see you on the next one. Show you to them. They're pretty frozen. Man, I don't see why they didn't do all that. Matthew, you gotta downsize that so it don't tip over. Imagine that. Alright, but you can see the beautiful lake out there covered in snow. Now the deal on the top is where the ice has kind of moved and left like a bench. I don't know what it's called. You can look that up. Well, that's what happens when you just throw stuff in there.
Hey,
Where's that hard fish?
this one?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's like a rock. Ain't too bad though. I don't know why he's tossing around. It ain't alive, but
It's slimy.
all right. We're gonna catch no perch. We're gonna go try some other stuff and see if we can catch any perch, but I don't know. We might find another spot on the lake. Who knows? So, all right. Well,
Hey, grab my sister.
this was this adventure, and we'll see you on the next one.